Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. For today's video, I wanted to start a new project pan, but I kind of want to make this a rolling project pan, so if I, finish something, I add in another item, or if I'm just tired of using this product or whatever, I can switch it out with something else. I have some products here that I don't necessarily want to finish, I just want to make progress on. So yeah, I'm just going to get started and share with you guys the product that I want to use. And I'm thinking of doing monthly updates for this project. I don't want to make this project until the end of the year, so yeah, it's going to be kind of a 6-month long project, give or take. So the first product I have here is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. One of my favorite foundations. When this is gone, I definitely will be repurchasing it, but I just want to use this some more because I haven't really been using it a lot lately because I've been focused on another foundation, but I want to start using this again, so there's that. If you guys watched my other project pan that recently ended, I had my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in there, and I did not finish it. So I did put it in this project, and there is not a ton left. As you can see, it's like down to here. You don't need a lot with this product, though. A little does go a very long way, so this will take a while for me to finish, but those are the two products that I really want to finish for sure in this project. Then I did throw in this mascara, which is kind of like a gimme product, but this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush Mascara. I did just open this, so this is going to be, a few months before it's gone, but that's what it looks like. It's a curved brush, as it says. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. It's fine. Not going to repurchase it, though, just because L'Oreal does test on animals. This is the Lorac Behind the Scenes eyeshadow primer. When I bend the little package thing, I'm down to here, and a little does go a long way with eyeshadow primer. If you guys know anything about eyeshadow primer, it takes a long time for them to be used up, but I think by the end of the year this should be gone, so there's that. This is a blush, and this is Benefits Coralista. I don't really want to finish this, I just want to make progress on it, and I've already hit major pan on it, as you guys can see. So I don't really know what my end goal is with this product. I would ultimately like to finish it, but I don't think that's possible. But it is one of my favorite blushes. Benefit unfortunately does test on animals, so I would not repurchase it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I just want to continue to make progress on it. And I think in the spring and summer this is absolutely beautiful. This pretty much goes with any eye look that I'm doing, and I love this product so much. Another product that I don't really plan on finishing, I just want to make some progress on, is my Naked Basics 2 palette from Urban Decay. I've previously hit pan on the shade Skimp and the shade Cover here, but I would like to continue working on Skimp and expand the pan, but I'd also like to hit pan on the shade Stark here. And I typically use a mixture, a combination of Skimp and Stark underneath my brow bone, on my brow bone. So it takes a while for me to hit pan on the shadows, but yeah, this is where I'm starting with, and I like this palette, but just want to make some progress on that. Moving on to some lip products, I have the chapstick in the scent Candy Cane. I'm not going to scroll this all the way up, but there's more than half of this left, and I just want to make some progress on it because I would like to finish it because chapstick is not cruelty free, and I just want to move it out of my collection anyways. This is the Urban Decay Sheer Liar lipstick, and this is the old Revolution line that they had, but now they switched it to the Vice lipstick line, so this is what this looks like. That's all I have left. I love this formula, and I love the shade. I will give you guys a swatch. It says it's a sheer formula, but it's really pretty pigmented, and I just find that I haven't really been reaching for this a ton lately, and I just want to use it up because it's on the older side, obviously, because this is the older formula. I like this, and it still smells fine and everything, but I would like to move this out. I don't know if I can finish it, by the end of the year. I'd like to, but I do like to switch up my lip products very frequently, so don't know if that's possible. And then I have a couple of lip glosses here. The first one is from Buxom, and I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. This is the Buxom Full On Lip Polish in the shade Madison, and as I stated, I am wearing this on my lips right now. It's pretty sheer, but you can build it up, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous for the spring and summer months, and I hope I can get through it this summer, and then if I do, maybe I will add in another lip gloss or something. But I do have another lip gloss here. This is the Marc Jacobs Enamored Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Taboo. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. I've been actually reaching for this one over the Buxom, which is kind of surprising because I love the Buxom glosses, and I love the Marc Jacobs ones too, so I don't really have a preference, I guess. But yeah, I love this gloss, and I do want to just use it up because I have quite a few lip glosses, and I would just like to get through some of them. Finally, I wanted to throw in one of my Anastasia glow kits. The one that I chose is the sun dipped one, and I don't plan on finishing this. I would just like to make some progress on it, and I think for the spring and summer months this would be absolutely gorgeous to wear all over, you know, my cheeks or as a highlight. And I like mixing and matching these shades, and yeah, I am wearing it today. I'm wearing a combination of Summer and Moonstone on my face today, but I do use the darker shades as well, so I just kind of want to make some progress on it. And you know, as this project goes on, I probably will switch this out with another highlighting palette or another highlighter. But yeah, that's what I'm starting off with this project. And then, like I said, this is going to be kind of a rolling project pan, so if I want to switch something out, I can, or if I want to add something in, I can as well. And as I finish up products,